This is just a quick video on a new project I'm working on through SAMMI Stream Deck. Every time somebody subs to my Twitch channel, a ornament with their name on it is placed onto this Christmas tree. There's 7 different colors. It is chosen at random. Each one of these things here you see is the random color, and then it has just repeated setups so it's just like a copy of each thing. It's just you need it for each color. So we're gonna run the button. This shows an undefined name, but it did place it on the tree. So what it makes the tree bigger, puts the ornament on the tree, and with the name. Right now it just says undefined because it was a test and not an actual stream sub. But this is the tree toggle I made, so that way I can make it bigger and smaller whenever I want. Makes it easier to show off the tree when nobody else is actually subbing. Then I can actually show how they're individual things. So you got the tree as its own picture. The text is actually a text OBS source. And then we have an image for the ornaments. So you can move these around individually from each other. And this is actually required because sometimes the ornament and name ends up off the tree, since I can only make the radius of where the ornament and name lands a rectangle and not a triangle to fit the shape of the tree. But I can show everybody here in my OBS. This is actually acting live. I have downstream keyer, which allows me to place this Christmas tree scene in just anywhere I want, really, and it'll show up no matter what scene I'm on. And I did a what is it called? A scene embed into another scene, so that way I can add a filter to the whole thing to make it bigger and smaller, which is what I have for that toggle that I've already shown you. Here's this working right here. That's the just show you, this is actually the Christmas tree. So I click this, makes it bigger. Yep. That's how the toggle works. And well, it's a work in progress. I want to add a couple other features. I need to test gifted subs as well. I'm going to try to make a bunch of presents that go under the gift or under the tree for gift subs instead of ornaments. And I want to clean it up. I don't think I'm going to be able to make it to where the ornaments can go perfectly on the tree 100% of the time. But, you know, maybe somebody else can recreate this entire idea and put it as like a web source or something. I don't know. But anyways, I'll make an actual YouTube video on it and maybe try to make a way for it to be shareable on people's SAMMI decks, so that way I can just upload it to like a website or something and you can just download it and not have to do all the work that I just did. We'll see.